Alright guys, it's a beautiful day here at Lake Norman, North Carolina. I will be flying the DJI Mini, and specifically it is the DJI Mini SE. So let's go ahead and take some flight up, and let's see if we can see some of the gorgeous colors today.
Take off.
Today I'm going to be talking about the DJI Mini SE. Now this drone has been out for quite some time, and this drone came out after the DJI Mini 2, and it is supposed to be in the middle between the original DJI Mini and DJI Mini 2. So what is the difference between the DJI Mini and the DJI Mini 2? Well, what DJI did, they went ahead and got the DJI, the original DJI Mini, and they put the same motors, and they improved the battery life, they changed the battery, and kept the same body as the original DJI Mini. Now the motors of the DJI Mini SE is the same motors as the DJI Mini 2. So if the original DJI Mini and the DJI Mini 2 came together, they made the DJI Mini SE. Now this drone retails for about $299.99, and I was able to find this drone in excellent conditions on Amazon warehouse for $224.95. I will go ahead and put the link just below so you guys can check it out on your own. So here's the box of the DJI Mini SE. This is the box it comes with, and if I turn it around, it has a bunch of stickers, likely someone returned it. And the DJI Mini SE, the specs consist of, it is less than 249 grams, meaning legally you don't have to register the drone, but you still have to follow the rules. It has about 30 minutes max flight time, 4 kilometers max HD video transmission. It has vision sensors and precise GPS hover, 3-axis gimbal, and the video quality is up to 2.7K, and this means that likely it has the same sensor as the original DJI Mini. The DJI Mini 2 has 4K, up to 4K. Once you open the box, then you'll have the drone here, and it looks just like the original DJI Mini, except that it has USB-C, and the original Mini had micro USB. Let's go ahead and open it. And this is how it looks open. It is better in the sense that it's able to get better video quality, but it withstands the same wind. But the transmission of the DJI Mini S2, it is also better, and the remote is also different. And we also have the ultimate drone of this year, which is the DJI Mavic 3. So what I'm trying to say here is that the DJI Mini SE is a great drone to start off with. And you can take it to many different areas. You don't have to register. It's very light. It fits in your pocket. And you can go ahead and practice and learn and eventually move up according to your needs. And that is the reason I'm making this video, because you're able to find this drone on Amazon Warehouse for about $224.95. That is about $75 off. I think that's a deal for a drone that offers many good specs. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the video that was obtained using the drone. And if you have any questions, suggestions, please click like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment and at least say hello.